today's video I have this is the May RoccaBox. I can't wait to get in here. Let's see what we've got. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today's video, like I said, this is the May RoccaBox that we're going to be unboxing. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. So this box is £15 per month and £3.95 postage. The longer you subscribe for, the longer you take a subscription out for, the cheaper it gets per month. I'll leave a link down below in the information box and the comment box. If you want to treat yourself to this box, give it a click. I think using that link will get your first box half price, so you get 50% off, but double check that before you purchase. But yeah, let's have a little sneak peek to see what we've got in here. So this is the edit card. It has, oh yes, that's correct, yeah, it does not have information on here about the products. It has a QR code with the information on about the products, but this edit is called the Glow Up edit, and the box is worth over £117. Amazing. So yeah, let's just get everything up here so we can see, and there is a quick sneak peek for you, but let's have a proper dig through to see what we've got. Let's scan this. Perfect. And before I actually start mentioning what products are in here, it has a little sneak peek of what is in the June box. There it is. So the sneak peek is by XX Revolution, and it's Bright Light Radiant Primer. Okay, yeah, cool. Roll on next month and we can give it a go. The first product in the box is this. Look at the brand. So this is by Murad, and it is Correct and Protect Broad Spectrum SPF 45, worth £70. Meet Murad's newest 2-in-1 innovation, combining proven results for a treatment serum with a satiny smooth SPF that helps future-proof your skin and brighten the more you use it. Plus, beetroot extract provides fast-absorbing, moisture-like dose of hydration that all skin types will love. This is great. Did we get this in another box, or was it something similar? It was by this brand. I just can't remember what it was. My memory is awful, but whatever. Love this brand, and oh my god guys, it's worth 70 quid. Jesus. This is reminding me of the other Murad product I got, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I think this is the second one. What box did I get it in? Can anybody remember? Was it a box I've just done, or was it in a box last month? My memory, disgusting. But yeah, that's great. Again, I'm not going to open this up because I want to keep this nice and fresh. This is a great brand, an expensive product, and I am not going to risk it going off because I want to get the benefits of that when I start using it. But yeah, love the brand. Second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Paul Yucamine. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And this is a Hydrosol Micro Mist Hair Hydrator worth £22. Bad hair days are a thing of the past. This super light leave-in spray is made with hydrating oils and botanical extracts to condition your hair as soon as you step out of the shower, leaving your trestles with hydrated, soft and smooth. That makes no sense the way they've worded that. Leave-in trestles with hydrated, soft and smooth, full stop. Okay, but yeah, we get the picture of what it does. I received one of these quite a few months ago and I haven't had a chance to use it, so I'll have to move my behind and try it out. But as far as I'm aware of, this is a really nice brand, and maybe I need to try this out ASAP actually, because my hair is becoming so dry with the bleach and everything, and heat tools being really naughty to my hair. So yeah, we'll have to give that a go ASAP. The third item in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Salt and Steam, and it's a relaxing facial steam in glow or rough night. okay? It has an RRP of £5. It just says ready to get that glow, whether you receive glow or rough night. Oh, okay, so it's one or the other. I get it now. I've got the glow one. These all natural facial steams are perfect addition to your skincare regime. We recommend using this steam for a morning pick-me-up before you moisturize. You need a heat-proof bowl, a light towel and freshly boiled water. Right, so how do you use this? So step one, add 2 teaspoons of the steam to your bowl and pour hot water over until the bowl is 1/3 full. Set your bowl on a low table somewhere you can lean over it. Step 2, cover your head with a towel. This will create a steam tent. Sit with your face 30 centimeters above water. Right, so it's like back in the day where you'd put the menthol drops in water and you have your head over with a towel and it steams your face and helps you breathe more. So this is a little bit like that, I think. And then yeah, step 3, breathe deeply and relax. We recommend steaming for 10 minutes before cleansing your face and applying your favorite serum or moisturizer. Great. So this has got eucalyptus, lemon, rosemary, salt facial steam. Cool. The 4th item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Noble Isle, and this is the Greenhouse Luxury Bath and Shower Gel, worth £6. Innovate your morning with a shower filled with a balmy sense of summer and relax in a luxurious bubble bath steeped in fragrance. If I could talk, that would be great. Let's have a whiff of this. I've used other scents of this before and I've really liked it. My skin's liked it too. Oh yeah, that's lovely. That's going to be nice and refreshing for the morning. Yeah, I'll have to pop that straight in my shower to test it out. The 5th item in the box is this. So this is by the brand Palmer's and it's Get Your Own Coconut Glow Facial Trio, worth £6. The ultimate glow getters. This trio will leave your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized, and that's all that says. So let's have a look. So the first one is Exfoliate, and that's a coconut sugar facial scrub. Polishes, exfoliates and softens. Cool. The second one is Hydrate, and that is coconut water facial moisturizer. Naturally hydrates and infuses skin with antioxidants. Again, fabulous. And last but not least is this one, which is Glow, and it is coconut mono-eye luminous hydration facial oil. Oh my god. But yeah, Palmer's is a nice affordable brand. Have I tried any of their stuff? I think I've tried some of the coconut body moisturizer before and it was lovely, and obviously their lip balms I've tried. So yeah, can't wait to try that out. A shame that they're just little sample sizes, as I say, because these are so affordable, the full sizes. But yeah, we'll give them a go to see what's what. We have a little extra treat in the box. So product number 6 is this. So this is by the brand Vivo. I hope I'm saying that right. And these are test strips worth £8. Listen to your body's voice. A handy on-the-go test paired with an app to help you glow from inside out. Okay, so it helps you track hydration, magnesium, calcium, vitamin C, pH, ketone, salinity, oxidative stress and protein. Okay. And then we open this and then it's got a test in there. A urine test. Okay, so we just pee on it. Oh yeah, definitely. That sounds well cool to find out all that information. Yeah, I'll have to download that app and get doing my little test. This is the Glow Up Edit, the May RoccaBox. What do you think? Personally, I think it's a nice little box. We have a couple of cheaper little products in here, which is still nice, don't get me wrong. Which are the glow thing, Salt and Glow, and the little shower bath stuff. But yeah, I'm so interested in trying this out, and that was the free product, like the little free gift, extra gift in there. So yeah, can't wait to try that out. The Murad product, amazing. £70. That definitely on its own makes the box well worth it. And yeah, the Hydrator sounds interesting. And what's that? £22. So yeah, oh, and not forgetting this as well. I wouldn't have put this in as a whole product on its own because it's just 3 samples. Oh god, I'm knocking everything over. But overall, altogether, I like it. I really do like it. So gets a thumbs up from me. What do you think? Comment down below your thoughts. But yeah, if you are interested in getting this box for yourself, I'll leave the link down below in the information box and the comment box. Give it a click. I think it gets you 50% off, but please double check that before you purchase. But yeah, that basically concludes the video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.